What go on, my people? So Alkaline do a song when they load up, my people. And me listen to the song thoroughly. Me see whole heap of people. I say a lot of things about it. Some I call it, oh, it's a social commentary. People, when me listen to this song, me don't know which song them listen to. But me I go tell you from my perspective, how me view the song. You see me I say big up to Alkaline, because remember Alkaline when Alkaline just a push out my people. You see me? When 2011 when Cartel get they behind bars and Alkaline just a come out, me I want a youth where did a promote Alkaline. They dey on me block. Then the time the DMR did a diss him. You see me I say, but people, the song, when me listen to the song, this is not the time for this song. You see me I say, because what Alkaline a perpetuate my people is violence. And we don't need no violence now. I don't think this is a good creativity for this song. You see me I say, the song good, but it's the wrong time for this song. You see me I say, my people, because the violence where I go on in a Jamaica now, especially the Montego Bay. Remember, you know, when Cartel used to do them things, you know, my people used to bash Cartel, you know. You see me, I say Cartel promote violence or Cartel promote bleaching and everything that's negative. And for Alkaline drop a song in this time, my people, where I promote violence, where some people call it social commentary. People, Alkaline song is about violence. But if you say, boy, if it wasn't music, it would be violence. That is promoting killing. You see me, I say, and for true people, I personally disbelieve Alkaline would be violent any at all. You see me, I say, I may have a video to prove it.
My name is Erlen Bartley. My hobbies are singing, dancing, reading and acting. In the future, God willing, I will become a doctor or a research scientist. Thank you.
You see me, I say, my people, he come out of the artist mouth, say Alkaline himself say he would be a doctor. You see me, I say, or a research specialist. You see me? So for Alkaline promoting this violence now, my people, Alkaline, I think you should refrain from doing this because people, Alkaline is a good artist. You see me? I say, and for Alkaline, I write some song and a youth is smart because I realize he's a smart youth. You see me? Alkaline did get a forward and he capitalized it from patronizing Vice Cartel image even though in the night. You see me, that's why what they are in this Vice Cartel, my people. I think is a fuck up move, but Cartel I get when put out. Because Cartel, this other man where did it before him, see away my people. So I see him thing Alkaline I do now. When Alkaline diss him, you see me, which I don't condone because my people, as me say, Alkaline bite piece of Cartel style. Even though it emerge out of it, the truth is the truth. You see me, I say my people, as me tell everybody, me not be biased to nobody. No brief, no baggy. You see me, I say my people, because Alkaline is a good artist. You see me, different from if you know say boy and bite piece of Cartel style. He emerged out of it. You see me, as me say my people, big up to Alkaline because me I one of the first youth that did know say Alkaline a talented youth. 2011. You see me have to defend him on YouTube. And he can't say a lie that. Because when he put out his song on DMR, then he used to bash it on YouTube. And me I say, yo, give the youth a forward. Make the youth doing things. You see me, I say, I want next youth where he disappear now, me not even see him. You see me, used to bash Alkaline. So me people, me not bash Alkaline. You see me, Alkaline are my artist. See we are talented youth. But people that sang ya, I don't think it's the right time for this song. You see me, the violence we are going on Jamaican people is not the right time for that song. You see me, I say my people, but that's my personal view on the song. You see me, I say because this song, a good writing. I don't know when you talk about Babylon in the first part of the song either because there is no context behind when you talk about Babylon, even though you say you don't trust them. You see me get the point where I make this about. I thought you would have said something more about Babylon, but me no hear say nothing about that. You see me? But as me say my people, it's a good song, but it's not the right time for the song. You see me, I say if we do the violence we are going on Jamaica, my people, it's not the right time for the song. You see me, because the violence need to be quelled. You see me, I say, so my people, as me say, that's my review on the song. And more you don't want to think about it. Leave it here, you see me? Peace. I'm out.
Wait. Leave me alone, my glance. Oh, someone a go like them, no one give homage to the death advance. Look how much of them and you me help. Look how much of them borrow my style and didn't say by me a flash. Me no really worry about the chats. Me no worry about some little man who I tried this way soon last. But you see how when you get knocked up a sand. Always create moments we never live in at the past. From a little me I say anytime me get in, me I feel like a impact. Set me things so I'ma get the youth and them a pre say them that the thing shot, sing shot. Enough man get the chance and lap spend it, I no believe in a that. Man a pre-foundation, youth lot, pan lot. When the thing shot it off impact. I mean little me a pre everything and I say me a feel it for impact. Say the thing so anywhere me go when me a step in, them a fi say I him that. Enough man get the chance and flop, vendetta no believe in a that. If they say come a rap and we go lap on lap, when the thing shot it off impact. Enough of them you see a chat, them a nobody. Years we a take it to them a nobody. Remember days we have to stay in the valley. Now the jacket and the glasses are cavalry. Can't get we out again, we in already, sorry. We the over here so we know in everybody. Can't save the world that I got too much to me carry. So me think like royalty and keep it not the family. But I know them see it at the time them a waste. Come and know them see it, so we there so for stay. See time and time, them trying to fight we don't bad mind. But we never stop climb and climb till we make we name. Alright then. From a little me a say anytime me get in, me a feel like for impact. Make sure say the money in stock, check in, see say everything intact. Enough man get the chance and lap spend it, I no believe in a that. Man a pre-foundation, youth lot, pan lot. When the thing shot it off impact. I mean little me a pre everything and I say me a feel like for impact. Say the thing so anywhere me go when me a step in, them a fi say I him that. Enough man get the chance and flop, vendetta no believe in a that. If they say come a rock and we go lap on lap, when the thing shot it off impact. Young frost man a dime and I glisten from the time and I listen. I mind if me really set my mind to a sitting, make a loud impact, become a dog, them a listen. Next to know say so much I'm a dog, they a prison, well it off when it's off, off a fly like pigeon. No one that's a food we use to fry chicken. When we get it start, use that I make it mark. Yeah we born poor but we destined for a better part. But I know them see it at the time, them a waste. Come and know them see it, so we there so for stay. And we see time and time, them trying to fight we don't bad mind. But we never stop climb and climb till we make we name. Alright then. From a little me a say anytime me get in, me a feel like for impact. Make sure say the money in stock, check in, see say everything intact. Enough man get the chance and lap spend it, I no believe in a that. Man a pre-foundation, youth lot, pan lot. When the thing shot it off impact. I mean little me a pre everything and I say me a feel like for impact. Say the thing so anywhere me go when me a step in, them a fi say I him that. Enough man get the chance and flop, vendetta no believe in a that. If they say come a rock and we go lap on lap, when the thing shot it off impact.
Just to make the youth them know say you can't be anything you want to be, easy. Can't achieve anything you want to achieve, literally. Basically get the expectation of the world. Anything with your meds that I get. So if you're not meds, nothing, you don't know that go.